Wow, look! The magic glow fruits are ready to race! Red ran away! Let's follow the glow trail! Look! The red glow is hiding inside the bush! Red's rolling away! Chase it! Quick! It's going to the bridge! Follow it! Where did it go? Look under the bridge! There it is! Red popped out! Red is rolling away! Let's catch it! Look! It's hiding behind the mushroom! There you are, Red! We found you! Look! A yellow one is coming! Yay! Yay! Yellow stopped right here! Look! A blue glow! Is Blue hiding there? There you are, Blue! Peekaboo! We found you! We found all the colors! Yay! Let's play more next time!